Learn how to make a delicious breakfast pizza.
Hey, it's Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and last night I made this delicious pizza that I'm so excited to share with you. It is not only lovely, but you can make it for a brunch or for dinner because it has egg baked right into it. There's also mozzarella cheese, a delicious garlicky butter base, and I made these cute little tomatoes. If you can see, it only takes a couple minutes to roast them in a pan. And what I like to do is I make them for this pizza recipe, which I'm calling like a brunch pizza. But I make enough that we can toss them in salads and, on top of steak or other things during the week. So the tomatoes kind of go the extra mile for this recipe and for recipes that I'll eat for a couple days to come. So I can't wait to show you how I made this delicious pizza. Here we go.
The first step to making this breakfast pizza with eggs is to roast the cherry tomatoes, which look really beautiful on the brunch pizza. So it just takes a couple minutes on the stove. You have a pan over medium-high heat, and you roast them with garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then at the last minute, you add in the butter, which you're going to reserve the butter and the garlic for the pizza sauce. It's basically a white pizza sauce on this breakfast pizza. So once you have the tomatoes roasted, it's time to top the pizza. Take all that beautiful garlic butter from the pan and drizzle it on the pizza. Add mozzarella cheese, leaving 3 circles, which you'll put the eggs in. Add your roasted tomatoes to the pizza and also go around those 3 circles so there's enough room for the eggs. Then one by one, crack an egg and put it inside each of the 3 holes. It should stay put when you bake it in the oven. So this pizza bakes in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. When the eggs are nice and bright yellow and the whites of the eggs are set, then it is ready to eat. You could make the yolks a little bit more done if you want, but I like mine a little bit runny when I cut into the breakfast pizza. When you cut the pizza, just be sure to cut around the egg so the person enjoying the slice gets the pleasure of digging into the egg themselves. Well, I have so many other pizza videos. You should check out my asparagus pizza video. It's really good for spring and summer.
Well, I hope that you enjoy making your own brunch pizza, and it pretty much will come out beautiful like this always, as long as you use bright red tomatoes and some good eggs. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!